Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I am testing out a new sticker kit for my shop. It's called Coffee Me. I made this, I wanted to make a coffee themed sticker kit, and I made some images in Midjourney and grabbed some quotes from Creative Fabrica, put this all together in Canva, and I wanted to test it out before I actually put it on my shop. My kits always come with a separate page of boxes with coordinating boxes that go with the kit. So I just want to test these out, and I do cut my stickers with the Cricut. I sized them for Cricut Design Space, which is 6.75 by 9.25. I haven't learned how to use Silhouette yet, so I only offer a PNG file and a PDF file, and the PNGs have a transparent background. All right. So I am always starting out with my little torn pages there at the bottom. I may not put my days of the week across here. This is my Planberry planner. These are cut at a 1.5 width. And my Planberry planner is it's a little under 1.5, so I have to do some sticker surgery with these, so they'll probably be in the picture but not in the video, more than likely. But I just want to test these out, see how they cut really well, so that's a plus. Don't have to worry about that. So now I just want to lay them down in my planner to see how they look. So, what have you all been up to lately? Me, I have on the job search, y'all know that. On the job search. Other than that, not much else. TV, I realized I didn't talk about my TV watching in the last video that I did. I did finish up Criminal Minds Evolution. I'm really tired of one storyline. I really wish that this storyline would go away, but it looks like it's going to go into the next season. So, but overall, a good season. Like I said, one part of the storyline I wanted to go away because it started out in the first season of Evolution. But hey. We'll see how it goes in the next season. They're already filming the next season, so we don't have to worry about it going away right now. You know, worrying about the show being canceled right now is what I mean. Let's see. Trying to figure out how I want to do this. I probably should have laid the big box down, but it's fine. Oh, I like that. I like it a lot. All right. So now I need some blue, or a blue box. Is that crooked? I think it is. Oh. But yes, Criminal Minds Evolution, I've watched. I started watching this show on Tubi. I think I watched this while it was on television, but I can't remember. It's called Undercovers. It's on Tubi now. It's a show. It's with Boris Kojo. I can't think of what the lady's name is, but Boris Kojo and his wife were CIA spies at one point, and then they retired. And of course, they're getting called back into the game. So, so that's on Tubi, if you like that type of show. There's another show on Tubi that I watched while it was on regular TV, but I don't know if I finished it or if I can't remember if I finished it. Wesley Snipes was in it. It's called The Player. So it's a good action-packed show, but I can't remember if I finished the whole season, and I can't remember if it's only one season. So I started watching that, The Player, and Undercovers is the name of it. But other than that, nothing new is on yet. I don't think it's going to come on to the fall. Anything new is going to come back into the fall. I made these little coffee ring things. I feel like they would be better in clear. Stickers, but they're going down. So far, I love this. I love it. I'm gonna put to do here. I'll probably do my stats here. I think I may put some more little coffee beans down. And I think that may be it. So really the only thing I haven't used yet are my days of the week. And like I said, I have to cut those down. And then I didn't use the iced coffee, the regular coffee, and the coffee cup. But for the most part, I like it. So let me know what you think. Not sure if I'm going to put any more coffee beans down. I don't want to overcrowd it. But I think this is cute. I like it. I like the colors and everything, the quotes. So let me know what you think in the comments. Like I said, these kits are in my sticker shop. They come with the PDF file for hand cutting, and then it comes with the PNG files for Cricut Design Space, size to 6.75 by 9.25, and it takes up a good bit of the sheet. And it comes with an instruction sheet on telling you how to print and cut the stickers. And I always link my shop in the description box below. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next one.